Hi guys, good evening. Today we will be discussing about what Elementor is and how it helps in developing our website very fast. Now what Elementor is, I will tell you first of all about. See, to build a website, four things we will be needing. The first one is hosting and domain, second one is theme, and the fourth one is the page builder. Domain, you know that .com, like rahulmantri.com is the domain. Hosting is a place where you store all the files on the internet. Theme, which gives the beauty to the our website. Now page builder is the feature, easy drag and drop feature so that you can build your website very fast. Now I will understand it how page builder works. For that, I will be sharing my screen and telling you how this works out. Okay. So what the thing is, I will be going to the backend of my website. See, this is a website I've recently created. There are two pages only you can see. I will add another page. Now, first, before adding a page, let's say what you have to do is first you have to go to the plugins. And what you have to do is add a plugin. See, I have already added a plugin. But what you can do is if you are not added a plugin, go to add plugin, search here Elementor, and just install and activate it. You have to both install and then you have to activate it. And after activating, on the left hand side, you can see the Elementor. So this will be the dashboard of the Elementor, but how Elementor works, we'll see on the pages. So what we'll do is just add a page. That was for my website. Now what we will do is about me. We'll add a page like about me. About me. Okay. Just what we have to do is just publish and publish. It will getting published. Now what we'll do is edit with Elementor. So this is the Elementor, basically is the page builder. There are many page builders like Elementor. The first of one is the best we can use in the WordPress is Elementor. The second one is WP Page Bakery. The third one is Gutenberg Editor. This is just an editor. We can say also page builder. The fourth one is Divi Page Builder. There are many page builders. But what I like the most is Elementor. Because why? Because it's very easy to use. And the second thing is it's easy drag and drop feature. Okay. So now what we'll do is just general some settings. Okay. Featured image. Okay. Comments, hide title. So about me will be hide. Okay. Page layout. Elementor canvas. What we'll do is so this upper side would be gone. Okay. So now the things that appears on the left hand side are known as widgets. The first one is container. Add here again a container within container. How we will see that? And again here we will add another widget. Let's say heading. And how I said container within container and then heading. Just if you want to see what all you have done is the structure container. Just click on this. It will show container. Just click on this. It will show the outer container. Heading. It will show heading. So this is the best way. If you have forgotten something what you have done, just go and do that. Now how to edit this? Just here, I am a digital marketer. Okay. Just publish it. So what you have done, you can see the changes also. I am a digital marketer. Okay. Now again, let's play this. Now what I will doing in the style and the advanced, that will be what it will be common for all the widgets. So what style, you can adjust the style. You can take it in the center. You can take it in the right. You can just play and see all those things. Typography, you can just change the style of the text. You can, whatever you feel is the best, you can take. You can, if you want to do this, you can take this. You want to increase the size, oh, you can increase the size also. What you can do, if you want to take it to the bold, you can do that also. It totally depends on you. What do you want to, you want to take the extra bold one, you can do that also. If you want, no, I was just want the normal one, you can do that. Transfer uppercase, you can do that. Transfer lowercase, you can do that. Style italic, okay, it totally depends on you. Now line height, you can increase the line height, you can decrease also. Letter spacing, you can increase or you can decrease. It totally depends on you. Word spacing also, you can do the same way. Now comes the advanced part. In the advanced part, margin, see, just what you will do is margin. If you do this no link value together, suppose you increase all those things, then it will go around all those things. If you want to change the margin that from upper side only, then just do this. Unlike this and do this. From bottom side, you can do this. From right side, you can just play this. from the left side, you can do this. So it totally depends on you. For padding, if you want that from all the sides should be done, then link it and do the things. But you want no, from top only you want to do this. So from top only inside the what container it will come down. Okay. So this is known as padding is known as from this to this. Okay. While the margin is from this container from second container to another container. Okay. Got the thing? Now again we will add another. No, okay. Now let's say alignment, start, center, and it totally depends on you. You just have to play this size, grow, swing. It totally depends on you. Now the motion effect. You might have seen many of the motion effects like in entrance, just fade in. Okay. No, fade in, I don't like. No, I want that zoom in effect should come. Zoom in down. Oh, it's a very good effect. So just play around it. What the effect you like, you can do. You can choose just the fast. Oh, it will be very fast. You just want no normal, it will be normal. You just want slow, it will be slow. So just play this. It will totally depend on you. Now background, layout, oh, transform, layout I have done. Okay, motion effect transform you can do this. What you have to do is just you want to rotate, you can do this, you can do that. It totally depends on you how you want to play this. Offset, x-axis, no, I don't want this, I don't want this. I want y-axis, no, I don't want this. Okay, you can just reset back to the original style. Scale, you can want to scale, you can do that. It totally depends on you. Skew also, x-axis is just from the x-axis it's going. You can do that. Totally depends on you. How to flip original? Okay, flip horizontal, sorry, flip vertical. It totally depends on you how you want to play it. Background, you can change the color, normal. If I want to change the color, classic, I want to do this, I want that red color. Okay, background color is red now. Okay. Okay, if you want to add an image to the background, I can just add the image. Totally depends how you want to do this thing. Okay, it's totally in the background. What you do, just stretch the image, then only you can see it. Style, you can just what is just the typography, just the size. Okay, in the background, no background image, what we have to do, advanced background image solution is full. Thumbnail. Okay, now see it, image size you can adjust it from here. Position also, image size again I will go what I will do medium. Okay, now position what it is bottom right. Okay, attachment scrolling or attachment what you can do is fixed. Totally depends on you how. Repeat, no repeat x-axis, you can just take this, repeat y-axis. It totally depends on you what you want to do. Display size, cover, display size, contain. It totally depends on you what you want to do. Border, now just how your border should change. See, the border is changing. Total box shadow, if you want to use the box shadow, horizontal, you can do that. See, you can show a shadow going out. Vertical, if you want to do vertical, also the shadow is coming down. Blur, if you want to blur these things, you can shadow, you want blur, you can do that. Spread, spreading, the shadow is spreading. You can play around this position, inside also you can do, outside also you can. Totally depends on you how you want to play it. Now, border we have done this. Now masking effect, if you want to mask, you can just do that, but I won't suggest it. Okay, unless it's necessary. Now responsive, if you want this thing to hide on desktop, you can hide it. See, now just here it's showing on the tablet mode, it's showing in the mobile mode, but where in desktop it's not showing. Okay, now if you want this thing to show on show this on desktop but hide it on the tablet and hide it on the mobile, you can do that. See, now it's hidden and hidden in the mobile as well. So you can just play around it. Attributes, if you are using the pro version, custom CNS, or also if you are using the pro version, you will be playing it. Now the second widget which we'll be using is second or the third widget is the heading we have done. Image, you can just drag down the image. You can just add any image if you just add it, and you can play around it. You can change the style. Now I don't want to go again. This is right. Again, you can increase the width or you can play around it as much as you want. We will go on this next widget. The third or the fourth widget is text editor. Just type anything. I am a I am a freelancer as well as digital marketer and provide all digital marketing services. Okay. Now what here is just what you can do is just select this and what just make it bold or what just make it italic, just make it italic, just make it underline. It totally depends on you. I said you just you want change the you can do its heading. It totally depends on you what you want to link something also. You can just put a link here and you can redirect it there. Okay. Totally. Now again we'll go and see what is our next widget. Okay, now text editor video, just play. You can put any video, just input any video link and it will be there. And you can just play around it. You can just in the loop you want to say player controls you want to show, you can just show the player controls here. If you want to hide, you can hide the player control. Okay, it totally depends on you what you want to do is. So just style, and again I won't show this advanced because the basically I have shown how it works for all those things. And now again we'll come to the another video button. If you want to add the button, just add the button, just play around it another time. If you want to do it center, you can do it center. If you want to do it right, you can do it right. What suppose hover is what normal, it is a thing like this. Now if you want to go hover, change the color. If you just it will be changing the color, it will be appearing when we'll just publish it and just see that thing. Okay, now background color, if you want to change, classic background gradient, background color there is no color, like I want the background color to be okay, I want this background color to be black. Okay, okay, border color also you can set. I want this border color to be this, just publish it. It will be appearing where when we just see this. See hover, black color is the background, red color when I do the hover. So all the necessary changes are made. Now what we will do is, we were there, edit, no? Yeah. Now again we will go and see what the other widget is so that we can input it in our website. Okay, that's a very good divider. Just drag and drop it down. It will create a line. If you want that this divider should, the width should be down. So if you can do half also, it totally depends on you. If you want to do it center, you can do that also. Totally depends on add element text. You can add a divider. You can add a text also. It totally depends on you. If you want to add an icon, you can add an icon. It totally depends on you and only you. So just play around it. It's a very good option. Spacer, just it will create a space, and here also you can manage how much space you want. So these are very short but very powerful elements. Google Map, oh, this is the best. If you want to show your location, just change it here. Just type your address. I am typing my address and see it will be showing my location then. Okay. See, it's showing 7 opposite Maheshwari Dharamshala, Gorapun, Sitla Mata Bazar, Indore. You can do as per your wish. You can zoom also this. You can adjust the height also. You can just enlarge it. Okay. Now let's see what the other widget is. Okay, we have done the icon. This is also very good widget. You can, if you want to place like say a tablet, you can just here search also here in the what in the search bar like tablet. Okay, tablet. You can just insert it. You can insert from outside the library also. See, tablet is inserted. Again, you can change the color also. Everything you can do. Change this color. I don't want this color. I want this black color. You can do that. So it totally depends on you. That's why it is told that Elementor is the very easy drag and drop use feature page builder. Okay. You can custom anything, tabs. You can add tabs. You might have seen tab 1, tab 2, tab 3. You can easily do that. You can again place a widget again here in tab 1 and tab 2 and tab 3. It totally depends how you play around it, how you use, just add a heading, totally depends on you. Now next widget what we'll be using is, let's say I want to add now, what is the next widget? This is the pro feature. We are not using the pro. Okay, accordion. What now? Accordion is, see, you might have seen this item. Let's say I will tell here digital marketing. Digital marketing. Now here what I will do is I will add what is digital marketing. So what I will do is just drag and drop a text editor here. Text editor. Digital marketing is used by all the people around the world. Okay, now you can do as much as you want and you can just place all those things. So this is a very powerful feature. You can just use for Q&As also there. This feature you can use. Image box, you might have seen this option. Just use any of the image. Okay, heading you can put image resolution. What you can do is thumbnail. Okay, it totally depends on thumbnail. No, sorry, it was this thumbnail is small, or you can do that. Change this heading. This is sports. Okay, sports. Okay, you can change the text editor as per your requirement, and you can play, you can adjust the image also, left, right, bottom, up, as per your need. Image carousel. I will show what is the image carousel. Add any images. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4. I've added. I've created a gallery. Insert the gallery. Okay, now what you can just increase and decrease the size, resolution. I want large. I have done large. See, this will automatically play slides to show only 2 slides. Okay, it totally depends on you. Slides to scroll 3. You can just see 3 times it will be there. Okay, image stretch, just if you want to do this you can do that. No, you can do that. Previous arrow, upload, you can do this icon library, arrow, previous arrow. Yeah, I have inserted it. See, this arrow comes here right now. You can do that. It totally depends how you play this. You can link media file, you can link a custom URL. It totally depends on you. Additional option is you can just autoplay, yes, or pause on over. It totally depends. Just see how it looks like. It's a very powerful feature, image carousel. Now the next feature is icon list. This is just simple drag and drop to show the icon and the basic necessary changes here. Now what is counter? Just you have seen in the many of this, like 1,000 of the books sold, or like this 10 customers satisfied or 10,000 customers satisfied. So this comes by this widget. Now you can do that. What is progress bar? Like for course, you can just, what you do is you can just edit it here, percentage, how much you have completed it. This all shows here. You can just change the styling and all those things you can do here. My skill, you can change all those things. You can do everything you want. Again, the next widget is a very powerful widget, testimonials. If you want to show them testimonials of your clients, you can do that. Or testimonials of what projects you have done, you can do that also. Now the next widget is, okay, social media icon. You can just click here, change the link here, and the people will be redirected to your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can add also other item. You can add Twitter also. You can just write here Twitter, or you can just any Instagram, Twitter. See, Twitter is there. You can just insert it, just put the link. As per your wish, you can do anything. So just very easy drag and drop builder. We have just used it. It's very easy. HTML, if you want some code to be pasted here, you can just paste a code CSS file here and you can do that. For short code, like for form, if you want, you can build some form from the outside and now you want to use it here. What you will do is you will just create a short code. Where is the short code is paid? Just short code here, and the form code, gallery size, image, medium, the short code would be pasted here, and that will form would be appearing here. Form will not appear here. Form will appear where? On the main side, not on the backend. This is the backend. It will not be appearing. Rating, just put here. You can do the ratings. Now the next widget, basic general. Okay, we have done most of the things. Now what we have to do is, the thing is if we want to use some other things other than this, what we have to do is we have to go and add some plugins. Now, which plugin we will be adding is, how we will do that? We'll just go to the dashboard of our WordPress, and what we'll do is add a plugin. So again, we will click here, and what in the plugin section where we are plugin, this is the plugin. Plugin is add a plugin. Now, which plugin you will this? See, add-ons for Elementor. Okay. Royal Elementor add-ons template, premium add-on. See now how to choose which widget to use. First of all, see the ratings. And the second thing, how much installation. See, this is 1, 10, 100,000, 7 lakh installations, 6 lakh installations, and rating is also very good. This is the number of ratings they have got. So what you can do is you can just do this 2 million. So we can use this also. This is also very good. Elements kit you can use here. See, now I will do this, just I will install it. What I will do is install and activate it. Then only it will become functional. So I have activated it. Now, after activating, where I will find it? On the left panel. So now see, this is there. Get essential. Proceed to the next step. You can start basic recommended. Next, next. Done all those things. Okay. Now, integration, enable templates processing. It will take certainly few seconds to get processed. It's done. Okay, finish. Now, congratulations, you are all set. Start with essential add-ons. Okay, how to use it now? Again, what we'll do is we'll go to the pages. Just we'll we will using this edit with Elementor. Now we will see on the left hand side, again in the widget section, their essential add-ons are added. It's added or not, we can just see it here. If it's not added, just clear your cache, it will be there. Those general site, see, essential add-ons has been added. Okay, now how to use this? It's very simple. Again, click on here, make this, and what? Again, suppose let's say now I will not take all those things. I will just take the major ones. Call to action. You can just put a simple call to action. You can just here. You can play with many of the widgets as per your need, and you can create best of the websites and landing pages according to it. This call to action is used most in the landing pages. Okay. Now again, essential add-ons, better payment, embedded, fancy text, dual color, data table. Oh, it's very good. Suppose you want to create a table, you can just create and you can just show here. It was not in the Elementor basic version or the pro version. So you can just use the essential add-ons and you can just create a table. Again, you can add something. You can just use essential add-ons. It's a very good thing. Flipbox also you can use. You can use info box also. Info box. This is an icon box, info box, write short description. You can just change the icon. It totally depends on you. It is just as good as image box. Okay, that was image. This is an icon box. Now again, you can use essential add-ons. Essential add-ons. Next. Features is also you can just features is there. Item is there. You can use this. Okay. Now the next we will using is okay, team members also you can place this. Okay, now again one thing is team member, this overlay style you can just change what all things you want to do and you can add, but this basic one I will be using. I want to show you one of the main essential add-ons, and that is what is the content type timeline. So content type upgrade to it will be coming in more the pro version. Okay, that was a okay. Essential add-ons also has a pro version. Advanced menu, divider, okay, dynamic layout, Google Map. This is the we are done. Image scroller. Okay, so this you can use and many other you can where you can find it. Just go to the dashboard, exit to WordPress, and just add a plugin and see which all Elementor add-ons are necessary. See the average rating and the downloads, and you can use that. Okay, so this was this was the about what thing. What we have learned today is the elementor and how to use elementor and why it is mostly used and what are its alternatives. Also, we have learned DV page builder, WP page bakery builder, but this is very easy drag and drop features and very easy to use. Okay, so just try it, and if you have any problem, just contact me. So just we have learned this, and thank you for attending this session. And now what I will say is just try it. Have any problem, just contact me. Thank you so much. I will stop the screen sharing and recording. Thank you so much.